Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-150T-DN-IN countdown timer. This order is going out to Motion Industries, which is a metal manufacturing facility that makes metal parts and tools for various companies. And what the customer aims to accomplish by using this product is to determine how long a metal can be submerged in an acid bath in order to polish the metal. How it works is the client sets the time to count down from through our BCD Rotary switches at the bottom of the enclosure. Then the client can begin the countdown by having the wires on the left side at the bottom of the enclosure touch each other. So now I'm going to be showcasing the functions on how this countdown timer is meant to work. So I have in my hand right here our flathead screwdriver, and this is what we're going to be using to switch to a different time to count down from. We currently have it set to 99 minutes to count down from, so we're going to switch it into something different. So I just stick my flathead screwdriver into the set minutes BCD switch, and I just turn on the first knob into something different. So that way when we start the countdown, it'll start from that time that we set according to the BCD Rotary switches. You can set it to a total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds. So as you can see, by utilizing the common black wire and the blue wire, I was able to reset it to the time that we just set it to via our BCD Rotary switches, which was 15 minutes. So now I'm going to be using a different set of wires to start the countdown from, and it's going to be these wires right here, the black common wire and the yellow start and stop wire. So I just put these wires together, and that starts the countdown. As you can see, it's now counting down from 15 minutes. So, and if I touch them again, that pauses or stops the countdown. So one of the last functions that this countdown timer is capable of doing is restarting from the last value that you set it to and starting from that same time that you set it to. So I just touch these two wires together, which is the black common wire and the brown common wire. Have them touch each other. And as you can see, as it was counting down, it restarted back from 15 minutes and it starts counting down. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, it is a tough extruded aluminum fingerprint resistant black powder coated casing with the dimensions being 48 inches wide, 19 inches tall, and 3 inches deep. Its display size is 15 inches that can be viewed up to a total of 750 feet away. The number of digits it has is 4 digits that can count from a grand total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds and 1/100th of a second. Its power type is a 120 to 240 VAC 12-volt 3-prong power cord that is exactly 6 feet in length. For mounting, we have our C-channel mounting for sturdy mounting on any hard walls. And lastly, for accessories, we have our BCD Rotary switches that sets the minutes and seconds for a grand total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds as demonstrated before. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital demonstrating our DC-150T-DN-IN countdown timer with BCD Rotary switches, C-channel mounting, and contact wires. Thanks for watching.